Last month, I made a video telling you guys to click the sound on one of my videos. Because so many of these YouTubers have been making videos called "Don't Click the Sound" that I was curious enough to see what would happen if people actually click the sound. I said I'm gonna follow up in a week to see what happens. Well, that was a month ago. And it turns out if you actually click on my sound right here on the bottom right, apparently you get views. The video that I made telling you guys to click the sound got like 7 million views. And if you look right here in the views chart, it had a random major spike. So is this a glitch in the YouTube system, or